Samsung Galaxy Z Flip has reached to its 6th generation, Motorola Razr series has 4 generations already, and even Huawei launched the Pocket 2 in February. When would Xiaomi launch a flip phone? The answer is right now. Together with the Mix Fold 4, the Xiaomi Mix Flip is finally here. It's still going to be a while before it's available for purchase, but that doesn't stop us from unboxing it and getting a sneak peek of the specs and stuff, right? If you can't wait to get your hands on these two wonderful phones, both of them are currently available for pre-order on Geek Wheels. The link is down below. Let's follow the staff at the Xiaomi store as she's going to unbox them. It's rather a pity that there are no extra freebies with these two not so cheap phones. There's still only the manual, SIM card pin, case, charging cable, and 67-watt charger. The cases are not made of vegan leather but hard plastic, slightly shabby compared to other brands of foldable phones. Let's first check out the most anticipated Mix Flip. It's a very sophisticated design, too pretty to make people believe it's from Xiaomi. The color schemes include the one in black and white, there's also purple, there's also a version with purple blocks, but we didn't see that in the store. I think that one would be very popular with ladies though. The external display is one of its main selling points. The glass is curved all around like water is about to overflow. Plus, Xiaomi redesigned the UI layout for it, and it has access to a full-size keyboard. Both practically and aesthetically are impeccable. To be honest, it's my favorite flip phone so far. In contrast, the Mix Fold 4 is not that amazing. The design of this camera module was weird from the first moment I saw it, and I couldn't get over it until now. They can make it better, like the Mix Fold 2 for example. That one is so pretty and I like it a lot. Fortunately, it's light and thin. I heard that Xiaomi customized a dedicated USB-C port to reduce the overall thickness. Although it's not the thinnest and the lightest foldable phone, there's no doubt it comes in second. All 4 colorways are here. I would recommend the carbon fiber version the most. It's very smooth to the touch, like baby skin. Theoretically, Xiaomi could have made the world's lightest foldable phone. The reason why the Mix Fold 4 doesn't is because of these 4 cameras. Having 4 cameras on a foldable phone is very rare, which means it has infinite potential for cameras. However, the Mix Flip is a bit more unfortunate because it only comes with 2 cameras, and the second camera is a 2x telephoto camera, not an ultra-wide camera, which is kind of a unique selling point of the Mix Flip for people like me who love telephoto cameras. Both foldables have Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Yes, the Mix Flip is also 8 Gen 3 and even has a custom vapor chamber cooling system. It should be the most powerful flip phone you can buy right now. Both phones have a decent battery. The Fold 4 has a 5100 mAh. There's also 67 watt of wireless charging and a 50 watt of wireless charging. The Flip has a 4780 mAh battery with 67 watt wireless charging. No wireless charging by the way. Here are the screen specs of them. You can take a deeper look if you need to. The hinge of Fold 4 hasn't changed much, and just like the Mix Fold 3, it also supports multiple angle standing. The Mix Flip can certainly do that as well. After all, a lot of pretty girls and dudes like to take selfies like this. My first impression of both foldables is good, especially the Mix Flip, which is probably the most powerful flip foldable phones in the world right now. Meanwhile, the Fold 4 has become stronger, lighter, and thinner. Of course, we will review both phones later, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel and you might miss it. I'm Will from Gizmochina. We'll see you soon.